So what we see around today is this nice setting of a blissful landscape, and this is just not how we started working on it. When I came here for the first time 4 years ago, this was a completely barren landscape, hardly any soil cover, some palm trees showing some promise of growth, and that's it. That's what it was. So we've literally started from scratch. But the biggest inspiration for working on this landscape design has been this nice, lovely landscape all around. And the main aim of this design has been to capture that essence. We come away from the cities to be part of nature, to be part of something that is naturally occurring in the surrounding areas. So that has been the idea behind this entire landscape. We are talking about landscapes that are home to not just us, they are home to lots of these smaller beings. There are dragonflies around, there are butterflies, there are frogs, and there are different birds that have recently started visiting us. So you are here to experience this entire landscape. Touchwood Bliss is a place where you get to be part of nature. You get to be part of this ecosystem that is coming up. You get to come here and harvest your fruits, harvest herbs, and add them to your palate. You just get to see these growing in front of you. And that is how we intend to be, that is how we intend to continue working on these landscapes, so that it grows on you and it becomes a part of your lifestyle and the memory stays with you. The landscape inspires you to reconnect with nature. The landscape inspires you to look at that natural side of our living, which is the kind of the need of the day. And this inspiration is something that we hope to continue to work with, and we hope that it also becomes an intrinsic part of your life. And I hope you enjoy your stay at Touchwood Bliss.